Welcome to this presentation of Top 10 Reasons Not to Get Final Expense Benefit Insurance. This presentation is given by Goat Planning. Goat Planning is a veteran-owned independent insurance broker specializing in seniors insurance products. You can find out more about Goat Planning at www.goatplanning.com. Here are the first 5 reasons not to get final expense benefit insurance. 1. I have a pre-arranged plot and monument. 2. I already have life insurance. 3. I will be cremated, and it will be low cost. 4. I have money set aside. Or I plan to set aside money. 5. I can't afford it. Here are the second 5 of 10 reasons not to get final expense benefit insurance. 6. I need to think about it. 7. I need to talk to my family. 8. I am single. 9. I am too young and healthy. 10. I am too old and sick. And bonus number 11. I have benefits as a veteran, including burial in a national cemetery. Reason number 1. I have pre-arranged a plot, monument, or my entire funeral. That's great. If you had not, as part of our service, we would have given you some help on how to get that done, and good financial reasons to do so. However, consider the other expenses associated with either a cremation or funeral, and the costs unrelated to a funeral. You may also want to leave your assets alone for other needs of your family. Remember, if you have a $100 bill or other large sum, it tends to go quick. Reason number 2. I already have life insurance. Again, terrific. Most people are underinsured, and the fact that you already have insurance speaks well of you. If it is a whole life policy, we can review it and see if we can improve the cost. If it is term, then we recommend keeping it. Check what type of policy it is. You will want a permanent policy with a relatively low coverage amount for final expenses. Use that policy as a base for your insurance needs, and use your current policy as it was intended. Also, remember to review all of your end-of-life needs. Reason number 3. I will be cremated, and it is low cost. Cremation is a good solution when you want to save on funeral costs, and it can be pre-arranged. Consider the other funeral expenses associated with either a cremation or funeral. Cremation is not always at low when combined with a funeral. Lowering the funeral cost helps, but consider all the other end-of-life expenses and the income lost when you pass away. If you would like this infographic, you can download it at our website, www.goatplanning.com. Reason number 4. I have money set aside, or I plan to set aside money. This is a good idea, but with some pitfalls. Ask yourself, do you have enough today for all the expenses? Have previous savings plans worked out? Remember, a $100 bill goes fast. What happens if the money needs to be used for something else? Can you use it now to prepay a funeral home? For final expenses, you will want to have liquid assets, that is cash. Reason number 5. I can't afford it. Affordability is very important. We all have bills. This reason is the most often cited consideration when speaking to folks about final expense coverage. One thing that you can do is adjust the benefit amount, because some benefit is better than none. What is a comfortable budget? The benefit can be matched to the monthly cost. Ask yourself, what is the cost of doing nothing? Where will the family get the money? Consider, is there something less important that you can give up to get the protection your family needs? Coverage gets more expensive as we age. Waiting means the cost will be higher still. Reason number 6. I need to think about it. A permanent benefit solution absolutely requires thought. You are thinking about it right now. You would have already done some thinking, or you would not be watching this presentation. The best time to think is when an agent is available to answer questions, or when you are on a website with the answers. Ask yourself, what exactly do you need to think about? Tell a licensed broker so they can provide more information. Think about this. What does no benefit insurance look like? You may wish to establish a time period to think, and then commit to a follow-up. You should also know that by law, you can cancel during the first 30 days, called the free look period. Or if not already approved, pull your application. It is always best to apply, so you can know for sure if you are accepted and the exact cost. Reason number 7. I need to talk to my family. Making a decision knowing what the family would support is smart. What questions do you think they will have? If you need coverage and don't have coverage, what do you think they will say? Let's get them involved and call them right now. Or set up a time with a licensed broker when everyone can be together. Again, ask yourself, is this the only reason for not proceeding, or is it really something else? Do you think they will want you to have coverage which is possibly to protect them? Reason number 8. I am single. Being single is an advantage because the need is less severe, but still there. You don't have to worry about replacing income, but other costs remain. Debts and end-of-life expenses remain. Coverage can simplify probate. What do you want your legacy to be? Will you remain single, or is there family besides a spouse that you want to protect? Reason number 9. I am too young and healthy. Being young and healthy is the best. It is the greatest positive right now. Rates are lowest when young and healthy. Policy options are greater when young and healthy. Trying to get affordable benefits gets more difficult as we age. Reason number 10. I am too old and sick. Many of our clients fit that category just like you. Being old or sick doesn't help, but there are solutions. A guaranteed issue policy may be a solution. A graded policy which pays less during the first years may be a solution. Both of these types of coverage ask less medical questions. If affordability comes into the equation, the benefit can be lowered. Remember, the urgency is now higher. Thank you for watching this presentation of Top 10 Reasons Not to Get Final Expense Benefit Insurance. You can find out more at www.goatplanning.com. At the website, you can also get a quotation or book an informational appointment. You can also email us at info@goatplanning.com. or calling toll-free at 844-369-7526. That is 844-3MY-PLAN. Or locally at 317-550-0800. We look forward to hearing from you and hope that you have a great day.